All about disaster recovery. Here's a simple explanation of disaster recovery, RTO, and RPO, disaster recovery, DR. Disaster recovery is an organization's ability to respond to and recover from an event that negatively affects business operations. The goal of DR is to reduce downtime, data loss, and operational disruptions by restoring critical applications and infrastructure. DR employs policies, tools, and procedures with a focus on IT systems supporting critical business functions. Disasters can include cyberattacks, sabotage, power outages, hardware failures, epidemics, terrorist attacks, hurricanes, earthquakes, floods, and fires. Here is a process flow chart for disaster recovery. Recovery Time Objective, RTO. RTO is the targeted duration of time between a failure and the resumption of operations. It defines how long it takes to recover and resume normal business operations after a disaster or disruption. An organization should consider how long it will take to bring an environment online once a disaster occurs and how much downtime is acceptable. For example, if an organization decides on an RTO of 4 hours and a disaster occurs at noon, the organization's services need to be restored by 4 p.m. Here is a process flow chart for recovery time object. Recovery Point Objective, RPO. RPO is the maximum length of time that data can be restored from, which may or may not mean data loss. It refers to how much data a company is willing to lose after a disaster. An RPO designates the variable amount of data that will be lost or will have to be re-entered during network downtime. For example, if an organization decides on a 5-hour RPO and a backup of data is taken at noon, with the next scheduled backup at 5 p.m. Any disaster occurring between noon and 5 p.m. can be restored to the noon backup, resulting in a maximum of a 5-hour loss of data. Contact Computer Port IT Solutions now to know more about disaster recovery. You can visit our website, computerport.in, or contact us at 91000 961 982. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the info.